Hello everyone. So this is question 2 from the multiple choice of 2024 NHT exam 2. So let us analyze this question together. It says that for two independent events A and B, it is known that A probability of A is 0.6 and probability of A union B is 0.92. The probability is equal to. So for this question, we need to be able to analyze the information. Firstly, it says that A and B here, they are two independent events. So for two independent events, we will have the formula, the probability of A intersect B will be the probability of A times the probability of B. So in here, we know that the probability of A is 0.6. Therefore, the probability of A intersect B here will be 0.6 times the probability of B. And also the second piece of information is that when we is that the union between two events. So when we have the union of two events to calculate its probability, it will be the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A intersect B. Does it make sense? So we can plug in the number once again. We have the probability of A union B that will give us 0.92. The probability of A is 0.6. We don't know the probability of B. And then the probability of the intersection between A and B can be rewritten as 0.6 times the probability of B. Times the probability of B. Now, if you let the probability of B, then this information that we have right here, it will turn into a linear equation and it will be 0.92 equal to 0.6 plus B minus 0.6 times lowercase b. And now we will have 0.92 equal to 0.6 plus 0.4b. When you plug it in your calculator, you should be able to get b equal to 4/5, and thus with the answer that is A. So once again, the key point when we handle this question is whenever you see the word independent, you always need to remember this formula because this is the only way that we can go forward. When we know that the two events are independent, then the probability of the intersection between A and B will be the probability of A times the probability of A when the two events are independent. And next is the inclusion and exclusion principle for the union of the for the probability of the union between A and B. It will be the probability of A plus the probability of B, and then you minus the overlapping section so that you don't count it twice. Yep. Thank you so much everyone for listening.